So yeah, hi everyone, welcome back to our daily LeetCode challenge series. So today is day 5 and today we are gonna solve this problem, LeetCode 3005, count element with maximum frequency. So this is also a easy type question. So let's check what the problem statement saying. So we have given an array nums which consists of positive integers, and we have to return the total frequency of elements in num such that those elements all have the maximum frequency. Okay, the frequency of an element in the num of occurrence that element in the array. Fine. So basically we have given an array with positive integers, so we have to find the maximum frequency and what all like number having that frequency, we have to give the sum of that. So in the example one case we can see 1 is occurring twice, 2 is occurring twice, 3 is once, and 4 is once. So here maximum frequency is 2 and 1 and 2 is having maximum frequency. So total number of elements in the given array is 4. Fine. Similar way in the second example, each is having only one frequency, so maximum frequency is 1, and every element inside this num is having one frequency, so we are returning 5. Okay, like it's quite easy question. So constant is given, maximum num length can be 100 and num value can occurs from between 1 to 100. Fine. So it's quite similar from yesterday's question itself. Thing is previously is having a string, but now here we have the integer itself. So what we can do is we'll simply store it in an frequency array. So frequency array can be max 101 because it is already given in constant, like it can vary between 1 to 100 only. So we can take 101 because index will start from 0 in array. Fine. Now we'll take one variable of count as well to check how many numbers is getting matched with the high maximum frequency in array, and we'll create one more variable for max frequency to store the maximum frequency in the array. Fine. So now we'll iterate over the given integers. So now here what we can do is we'll first store this and value. So whenever we found that same number, we'll increase the frequency in our defined array, and here as well as after storing we'll check the maximum frequency. So we'll use mat.max with current max frequency and the frequency's value of that number. If that is increasing, we're also getting updated the maximum frequency. So once this loop is ended, we will have the maximum frequency value with us. Now again we will iterate over the array of frequency array to check how many numbers like having the maximum frequency. So int n and frequency. So it will start from 1. So here we can simply check if frequency of n is equal to max frequency. In that case we'll simply increase the count value. Fine. So we will have the count now, like how many digits is having the maximum frequency, and in return we'll simply return count into max frequency. So let's suppose in this case we have got 5 count and maximum frequency is 1, so we will return 5. In this case maximum frequency we have 2 and count is 2, because in frequency array it will come twice only, so 1 and 2, so it will give 4. Let's check running test cases. Okay, my bad, so we have given wrong name here. Okay, it executing once. Sit here. That is fine. Okay, so one test case is getting failed. Why so? Okay, so here we don't have to check the frequency, we have to check the number. Okay, because it will return the frequency always. We are iterating over the frequency array itself. So instead of comparing with the frequency directly, we can get to know how many frequency count we are matching. Okay. Now test case has passed. Now we'll submit and see all the test cases scenario. Yeah, it beats 99% and it got past 623. Fine. So here if we talk about space complexity, so we have 100 constant space, so anyways it is big of n, and for time complexity it will be n only, because we are iterating to n part. So, fine. So yeah, that's all for today. See you in the next